So far, we have seen leaked images of the Osmo Pocket 4 from different angles, but none of them actually revealed the true design and front look. However, a recent image of the Pocket 4 shared by Igor Bogdanov clearly shows the gimbal camera, giving us a detailed idea about what to expect. Not just that, we have found a teaser video of the camera, which means DJI could launch the Pocket 4 series anytime soon. So, a lot to discuss. The design changes, upgrades, and also if DJI can really launch the camera in the US amidst the current ban-unban situation. First, let's talk about the design changes. We already learned about DJI adding a telephoto lens earlier, but was not quite sure how they were going to implement it. Now we have got the front look of the Pocket 4 Pro. Credit goes to Igor Bogdanov, a reliable tipster for DJI's upcoming releases. You can see two separate variants of the camera, which also confirms that we will be getting a regular and a Pro version. Now we mentioned a teaser earlier, which was shared by X-Drones Studio on X. It shows the camera from a 360-degree angle, and you can see the camera gimbal working flawlessly with the device. The Pocket 4 Pro appears to have a bigger camera housing, similar to what we saw on the DJI Air 3 drone. It also looks a bit larger in size compared to the regular Pocket 4 camera, from what we saw in the image. DJI is expected to utilize a newly introduced OmniVision 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor, allowing the camera to shoot 4K videos up to 240 frames per second. As for the other lens, we are expecting a 3x telephoto lens for zooming into objects. This will also significantly increase the bokeh effect while capturing cinematic shots. And there are also rumors of DJI implementing their high-end Hasselblad color tuning on the Pocket 4. So you are getting all of these features with such a compact camera, which also offers smooth stabilization even when filming action-packed situations. Now, when will the camera get launched? And what about the US market? Well, according to a recent report from the new camera, there's a possibility that the announcement for the Osmo Pocket 4 may shift to February or mid-March of 2026. What we are assuming is that all the delay is happening just to ensure a smooth launch for the US market as well. And since DJI has surpassed the FCC test, there should be no complications for the camera to get introduced in the US. So what are your thoughts about the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Will you be buying one?
Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.